Video works the same way images do. Write a prompt, pick a model, hit generate. There are just two extra controls, and both of them cost you money. The video models live in the same picker. We'll use Kling O3 Standard. Describe the shot the way you'd brief a camera operator. Subject, movement, light. Here's the first one. Video is priced by the second, so the slider is really a price dial. Watch the button as it moves. 4 seconds is plenty for a first try. Length is the biggest lever you have on cost. Here's the second one. Turn audio off, and the price drops. You're paying for a silent clip. Turn it back on, and the model scores the clip itself, which puts this one at 45 cents. And, as always, you can see that before you spend it. Then generate. Video takes longer than an image, usually a minute or two rather than seconds. And there's your first one, saved to the gallery like everything else. Next up, turning a still image into a shot.